Guys, welcome back to our channel Creative Mind. So here we're going to start the biology new chapter, that is life processes. This was a very important chapter, so please focus. So before going to the chapter, we need to know the difference, like how we can say that one is alive and one is not alive. Like we will see, if we see in cows or humans, we can say them they were breathing, so they were alive, or we can say they are moving, so they are alive. So in plants, how we will see, like by seeing the greenery color, or by seeing the growth of the plant, we can say. But what about the organisms that do not show any movements outside? So in that case, the molecular movement become important for them. So molecular movement are nothing but the inner movements, like the movement of the blood, lymph, etc. are called the molecular movement. So organisms which does not show the movements, for them the molecular movement is very, very important. Okay, we should also consider the molecular movements. So if you see, our body is working very hard day by day. Like the heart is pumping the blood, and the lungs is working, and the kidney is purifying the blood again and again. So for all these processes, like someday we get infected by some diseases, or if we get injured, means blood is coming out continuously. So to repair all such things, we need to repair and maintain the body organs, or the time to time. We need to repair and maintain our body time to time. So to repair and maintain the body from time to time, we need energy. So if there is no energy, how the heart will work good, heart will work healthier. If we don't have energy, how the platelets will move from one place to another place and clot the blood at the site of injury. So we need energy to repair and maintain the body. So life process is nothing but the general process which together of maintaining and repairing the body parts is called life processes. So since these life processes require a lot of energy, so where do we get this energy? From the food. So food is a source of energy. So if we take food, the food does break down in our body and produce ATP, energy, and helps us in our life processes. Understood? So how this food is broken down? With the help of oxidation and reduction reactions. Okay, with the help of oxidation and reduction reactions, the food is breaking down to produce the energy. So this process is called as respiration. Like the breakdown of food to form energy, this process is called as respiration. In the presence of oxygen, or in the absence of oxygen, or lack of oxygen. These were the three possible processes. So if you see, in a single celled organisms, the entire surface is contact with the environment. So no worries for them, right? Jollily they will remove the waste, they will take the food directly. But in the case of humans like us, like multicellular organisms, all the body parts are not directly into the environment. So to eat the food, we require the transportation system and digestion system. We require to digest the food, and to remove the byproducts prepared in the production of energy, we need to throw them out of the body. So here we require excretion system. So humans require a lot of things. So to satisfy all of these things, we need separate like functions, organs, etc. Right? Yes. So that's why we are called as multicellular organisms. Like we have a different types of tissues which perform different functions, because we require that. Because without different kind of tissues, we cannot excrete our waste out, we cannot digest the food, etc. So this was the introduction session. So here are some questions. Let us answer this. So why is diffusion insufficient to meet the oxygen requirements of multicellular organisms? If you see, diffusion is a very slow process. So organisms like us require a lot of oxygen. So but diffusion is slow process, so hence lot of oxygen takes a lot of time to reach to each and every body part. So hence diffusion is insufficient to meet the oxygen requirements. Yes, simple. So second question, what criteria do we use to decide whether something is alive or not? Starting itself, I told that we see the growth related things, like some other evidence and molecular movements. Okay. Third one, what are the outside raw materials used by an organisms? Like outside raw materials used by an organism is the food. the source for the energy is food, and this energy is break down in our body and produce the energy. What process would you consider essential for maintaining life? What I told, like the digestion system is required, excretion system is required, transportation system is required, okay, digestion system is required, etc. This all is required. So in next session we will be starting the nutrition topic. So please like, share and subscribe to our channel Creative Minds. Thank you.